Ever wondered what sets Champon apart from ramen? Originating from Nagasaki, Champon is a delightful medley, a true blend, just as its name suggests in the Nagasaki dialect. At first glance, it may seem quite similar to ramen, but a closer look reveals significant differences. The secret lies in the cooking process. Unlike ramen, Champon showcases a unique cooking technique where seafood and vegetables are stir-fried, drenched in soup, and simmered together. This method gives Champon its distinct taste, setting it apart from ramen. Now that you know what makes Champon unique, let's dive into the recipe. Champon is a blend of flavors, made with a variety of ingredients. Here's what you'll need. For 2 servings, gather 1 cup of rice, a strip of cabbage, a carrot, some chives, bean sprouts, and spam. You'll also need 2 eggs, some salad oil, fish stock, bonito flakes, and seasonings like soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Each ingredient adds a unique touch to the dish. The rice serves as a hearty base, while the cabbage, carrot, and bean sprouts bring a crunch. The spam adds a savory note, and the eggs add richness. The fish stock and bonito flakes are key to creating that umami flavor, a savory taste that's a hallmark of Japanese cuisine. To prepare, you'll start by washing and cooking your rice. Your veggies and spam will be cut into strips or sticks. Once you've prepared all your ingredients, you're ready to dive into the cooking process. With all the ingredients prepared, we're ready to start cooking. Cooking Champon involves a unique process that brings out the flavor of each ingredient. We start by washing the rice and setting it to cook. While the rice is bubbling away, we turn our attention to the vegetables. Cabbage is sliced into strips, while the carrots and spam are cut into sticks. Next, heat some oil in a large, deep pan and let the vegetable medley sizzle away. This step is crucial as it caramelizes the vegetables, intensifying their natural sweetness. Bean sprouts join the mix, adding a delightful crunch. Now it's time to introduce some liquid to our stir-fry. Pour in the fish stock, a crucial element that introduces a depth of flavor. Bonito flakes are added next, their smoky, umami-rich taste adding yet another layer of complexity to our Champon. Season with soy sauce, salt, and pepper to taste. Finally, whisked eggs are gently folded into the simmering broth. This gives the Champon its characteristic creamy texture, but remember, timing is key. The eggs need to be added at the very end, just before serving, to prevent them from overcooking and turning rubbery. Once the rice is cooked, place it in serving bowls. Pour the Champon over the rice. The broth will seep into the rice, making every bite a symphony of flavors. And there you have it, a bowl of delicious Champon, ready to be enjoyed. Cooking Champon may seem complex, but it's all about understanding the ingredients and the process. Remember, Champon isn't ramen. Its unique stir-fry and simmer technique, combined with a hearty blend of ingredients, create a distinct, satisfying flavor. So the next time you're craving a bowl of noodles, why not try Champon?